Welcome to the Industry Newsletters University. Today I'll show you how to edit a standard article in the Industry Newsletters platform. A standard article is an article that is automatically scheduled to your newsletter in a given launch cycle. These articles are not yet available in the article library, but you can still make edits to them. To edit a standard article, first open the newsletter preview where the article is scheduled. The preview will open in a new tab. Switch back to the tab showing your Industry Newsletters dashboard and go to Content, New Article. You'll want to copy and paste the title and summary from the newsletter preview. Switch back to the Preview tab. Select the text you want to copy with your mouse, and then use your usual keyboard shortcut to copy something. That's Control-C on a Windows computer and Command-C on a Mac. To paste the text, click in the corresponding box and use your shortcut to paste, Control-V or Command-V. Now choose the summary image. You can either use the same image, select your own from the article library, or upload a new image of your choice. To locate the image that is currently used in the article, click Choose Summary Image, then click Image Library. Now you can search for the image using keywords. Once you've located the image, click on it to add it to the article. Now it's time to bring over the body of the article. Switch back to the newsletter preview and click the title or image of the article to open it. Select all the text as well as the image and use your keyboard shortcut to copy. Switch back to the Edit Article screen and paste everything into the body box. For the image to be aligned correctly, you'll need to scroll back up to it in the body box. Click on the image to select it, and then click the image icon here at the top. Make sure there's a number in both the H space and V space sections. We suggest 5 or 7. And then set the alignment to right. Obviously, all of these can be changed if you'd like to play with it a bit. Now click OK. Make whatever edits you would like to the article. Then scroll back to the top of the page and switch the status from draft to active. Scroll back to the bottom and click Save. The article is now saved in My Articles, where you can preview and schedule it as usual. Don't forget to remove the original article from your newsletter as well.